Do you work with QGIS and need full control over team data edits? NextGIS Web includes built-in version control for vector layer features. For each versioned layer, you can open a history table to see who changed what, when, and how. I connect to this project from QGIS. The project is now built locally and all layers are in sync with the server. I delete a couple of buildings and commit the changes. Back in the web interface, I open the history table and see my latest action recorded. If I decide it was a mistake, I can roll back to the previous version. I do that, and the new version appears with the deleted features restored, while my delete action remains in the versions trail. Back in QGIS, the buildings are back as well. This makes QGIS teamwork more controllable and safe, so you can involve hundreds of editors with less risk of conflicts or accidental data loss. This is also useful when you outsource GIS data editing. NextGIS Web is an open-source WebGIS server with a strong focus on QGIS integration. You can publish QGIS projects to the web while preserving styles and then collaborate, connect from multiple QGIS instances, edit data together, and keep everything in sync. NextGIS Web is available as a cloud service, and it can also be deployed on your own server for full control and more resources. You can also check out source code on GitHub.